Hello everybody and welcome back. And today we are continuing the Stanley Cup playoffs for NHL 19. Alright, the last time we were here, the Vegas Golden Knights defeated the Los Angeles Kings in Game 1. Well, now it is time for Colorado and Nashville to go against each other. The reason why this one is not going to be Vegas related is just because, obviously in the NHL, in the playoffs, you can get eliminated. So just in case if the Golden Knights get eliminated, we can still see who the Stanley Cup champion is. Alright, so, I'm going to play as the Nashville Predators on this one, and the opponent will be the Colorado Avalanche. Alright, let's do this. It's actually the first video when I'm not playing as the Golden Knights. Pretty surprising, right? Because almost every video when I was playing NHL 19, I played as the Vegas Golden Knights, but this time I'm not. I'm playing as the Nashville Predators against the Colorado Avalanche. And here we are in Nashville, where the fans are getting ready for this game. Here you go. Face off. Victory there. Okay. Oh man. Alright, they're starting to come towards the net. Stop them. There we go. Stolen. Alright, I have it right now. Just to let you know, I barely know any of these players on net. Offside. I barely know any of the players on the ice right now. Because, this is the first video when I'm not playing as the Vegas Golden Knights. Okay, here we go. Shoot. Oh my goodness, that was a big save for him. Here comes Colorado, trying to get on the board first. He missed it. The upper hand, huh? I have it? Yes, I have it. Alright, Nashville has it. They're going to try to make it 1-0. Oh my goodness. That was way too far back. And he's going to continue to play it. Alright. Shooting. And yeah, nothing got accomplished there by Colorado. Shoot. If a player was just right there, he probably could have put it in. Alright, big save. We'll go ahead. Come on, I'm gonna try to put this in. Yeah, 1-0 Nashville. It went up in the air and in. Alright, so it's 1-0 Nashville here in this game. Oh my goodness. I almost had a chance to make it 2-0, but that one did not go in. We're still winning. Nashville's still winning though. Alright, stolen there. Okay. Come on, I'm gonna try to steal it. Okay, good. We stole it. There we go. We're trying to put it in now. Big save right there. Yeah, no other choice. Wait, what happened? Oh, offside. Offside on Colorado. Face off. Oh, we lost that, but it was good timing though. Alright, that was a big hit right there I just did. Shoot. No, I'm not gloving it right now. Okay, Nashville has it. Shoot. Alright, come on. Colorado got it. McKinnon. I do know McKinnon on the Avalanche. Well, I don't know him in person. I just know that's just one player I know on the Avalanche. It's Nathan McKinnon. In this game, you know how we have Belmar on the Vegas Golden Knights? Well, he's actually on the Colorado Avalanche now. He's just not in this game. He's off. Alright, victory there. But I think this period's gonna expire. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, that's it for the first period. Nashville is up 1-0. See what our coach is saying. Offense C, defense C plus, and T plus C plus. Alright, so the first period came to an end. It's 1-0 Nashville, and now let's head into the second.
One period play, a second period is about to begin. What do you think of what we've seen so far?
Alright, here we go. Face off, face off.
The way they turned over the puck in that first period, this could easily be a 3 or 4 goal deficit.
Shoot. And that was a big save for him right there. Alright, so far it's 1-0 Nashville here in this game. It's Nashville. Face off. Oh, lost that, darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. Oh, I could have stole it. I don't know why I wasn't able to get it. Alright, so far Rene does not have any anything in him yet. He hasn't allowed a goal yet. I also know the goalie Rene. Dang it, I'm offside again. So yeah, I know Nathan McKinnon on the Avalanche, and I know Pecorine on the. I also know Mikhail Gremlin. There was one time when he scored a goal on the Flames with 0.1 seconds left to tie it, and then he was the overtime winner. Yeah. Is PK Subban? I know PK Subban's not on the Nashville Predators right now, but I don't know if he is on this game. You know, PK Subban played for Montreal first, then he went to Nashville, and then he went back to Montreal, and then all of a sudden Montreal wanted to trade him to the Devils. Oh God. Okay. Alright, I hit him there. Alright. Oh man, they're not. Oh. Alright, good. It almost went in, but it didn't. Alright, here comes Nashville trying to make it 2. Nope, nothing there. Come up. Oh, they scored. Alright, so it's a 1-1 game now as Colorado just tied it. Shoot. Alright, nothing there. Alright, so it's 1-1 now. Oh man, that could have been a wide open chance, but someone got to me in time. Oh, I didn't know I had it. I thought the Avalanche player had it. Alright, but good, I have it. Oh no, I don't. I need to take it. Shoot. And that was a big save for him right there. A big save job. Here comes shooting. Oh man. Goal on the backhand. And he's gonna glove this one for the whistle. Alright, 2 minutes and 49 seconds left to go in the second. So far it's a 1-1 game, and Colorado tied it up in this period. Offside warning, so I'm way behind here, and now I get to come over. Shoot. Oh, in. Oh, it's in. And it looks like that one of the Avalanche players put the puck in his own net, so it'll count as a 2-1 lead for Nashville. Let's see that. Let's see that. Oh. All right. So it's a 2-1 Nashville lead. As Colorado accidentally put one in their own net. That's one mistake that you don't want to do in hockey. Put one in your own net. Honestly, if I did that, I would have felt so embarrassed for myself. And he's loving it with 6 seconds left. You know, I wonder how the goaltender feels when one of their own players puts the puck in their own net. I mean, do they get mad at him? Because, I mean, they were defending it. Then all of a sudden, one of their own players puts it in there. Puts it in there. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for the second. Nashville has a 2-1 lead. Let's see what the coach has to say. Offensive plus, defensive plus, team play B minus overall C. Alright, guys. Well, the second period came to an end. Nashville's up 2-1, and now let's jump back into the third. It's time for the third period.
40 minutes down, at least 20 minutes to go. What are your thoughts so far?
Alright.
The Caps are down as we get ready to start the third period. From my
So far, Nashville's up 2-1.
lucky to still be in this game. They turned the puck over way too many times. We are underway with the third and final
Shoot. I shot that a little bit too close. I shot it like too late. Give it to me. I'm gonna glove it. It's off. Win. Alright, we won. Alright, let's see if we can make it 3-1. Want to try to get past these Avalanche players? Oh my goodness, that was a big save for him. That was not offside. Darn it.
A little under 4 minutes gone. The Predators have eked out a 2-1 advantage.
Alright, Nashville. Oh, lost the faceoff.
Another victory on the faceoff.
Oh, stolen. Oh, never mind.
That's a good team. That's a great team at the line.
Oh, I thought he had it. That's why I was pushing him over. Okay, you have to kind of admit it was kind of funny when I was pushing him over. Shoot. Oh, in. And it's 3-1 Nashville. It's off. Oh, toss up. Oh my goodness, I thought that was going to go in for a second, but it didn't. So that's good. Okay. Alright, so far Nashville's up 3-1. Approaching 10 minutes left to go in the third. Here he comes trying to... And the net came off. He's off. One. I mean, I lost that face off, so... Alright. No. Take it away from me. Oh, wait, no, don't take it away from me. Take it away from you. Shoot. And he's loving this one for the whistle. 8 minutes, 13 seconds left. Nashville up by 2. There's still time for Colorado to score 2 goals, though. Let's try not to make that happen.
The Predators win the draw. It's somebody. Skill play by McLeod.
Shoot.
And a save.
And another save for him.
Fantastic goaltending.
Offsides again.
And that play is offside.
I don't like being offside.
And they've won the neutral zone faceoff.
Man.
Shoot
Oh, no. Alright, good. I stopped it.
Amazing reflexes.
Icing. I couldn't beat the icing. Alright. I'm above it. With 3 minutes and 56 seconds left. So far, Nashville's up by 2. Alright, stolen right there. Gotta make it 4-1 here. And it's in! Alright, 4-1 Nashville in game 1.
Nashville's goal has built an even bigger lead. We're in the third period. On the opposition, at least that is fortunate. And they won the faceoff.
Alright. Alright, approaching a minute. Yeah, final minute. Nashville's up 4-1. We pretty much won. But I could try to score even more. Alright, so he's building it with 49.8 left. So far Nashville's up 4-1. Shoot. It'll be a save. Oh yeah, there's Subban. I guess he is on Nashville during this time. Oh yeah. Offside again. Alright, 41.7 left.
Colorado's won that faceoff in the neutral zone.
Shooting, and he keeps it out. Alright. Approaching 30 seconds. Oh, guy, this guy was trying to gang up on me. Oh, and it's in again. 5-1 Nashville. So we were just able to get another goal. With 24.1 left, it's 5-1 Nashville. Will I get another goal? Let's see. Honestly, I don't think I am. I think 5 goals is enough. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's gonna do it. All right, guys. So the Nashville Predators take game 1 and a 1-0 series lead with a 5-1 win over the Colorado Avalanche. Alright, see what our coach had to say about that after when Nashville took game 1. Offense B, defense B, team play B+, overall B. Alright guys, well I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Comment in the comment section what you thought of this video. Comment in the comment section if you want a shout out. And remember, by the time that I reach 100 subscribers, that's what I'm going to try to do live streams. I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.